I don't know. I don't know.
Thunderstorm was located near Albany with nearly
15, 20.
indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roof.
Dani, ¿qué pasó?
Nothing. It's not almost time.
Ah,
Well, say for catch your it. It must get that to me.
so protect yourself.
What the? What the hell is it doing? What the hell is it doing? Oh, it's your time. It's your time. God damn it. It's Nashville. God damn it. It's Nashville.
Bible studies and audio and video files. And also some
Oh, but you're supported. This is not supposed to touch your age. Just still, I don't know. I don't know. Just few hours.
The National Weather Service in Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Greater Reach Point, moving northwest at 5 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Harris County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Also, please across the channel on this learning. Unacceptable to learn. There's no reliance.
Southeastern Texas until 7 p.m.
Oh damn! This is our sister. Capable use of radios. Believe it, the KGH they're anywhere. Look. Got it.
National Weather Service in Leak City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Harris County until 7:15. At 6:45, a severe thunderstorm is located near Greens Point, moving northwest at 5 miles an hour. Hazards include 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and some hail potentially with it. Again, that is a severe thunderstorm warning for northwest Harris County until 7 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.
Oh, KGO is just dead. Uh-oh. Hold up. I don't know this sits.
The National Weather Service in Leak City.
Oh my god. They want to go to E real fast, real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to the SVR'S system as well. But I'm gonna go be a water kill these. Yeah, that's just broadcasting.
The National Weather Service in Leak City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Waller County in southeastern Texas until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pinehurst, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pinehurst, Magnolia, and Stagecoach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Pashenka
They did.
intervened.
They did. You son of a. It's still the activation voice. What happened? Dang it. Hi guys, what's up? It's Severe. What's with Severe WX here? Because they're pretty disaster. Because it's literally outside. And let's go to the upside for the thunderstorms coming around things and no rain expected. Because also means to the reporting because it's coffee early in the morning. So definitely guys, definitely disaster to be so return which means the EAS. For the warnings, the 3 times SVR do. Because definitely all disasters currently for war situations. Therefore it's time. If it is time for first the Tokyo says, I guess it is beginning of to the Tokyo, Japan. Just simply golf, another coffee early in the morning. Alright, because simply coffee in the morning. The Japan says, what time is that? 10:17 a.m. Central Time. They are expected to the hill. The rest of the time, they are expected to the SVR'S side. Say, did I have a thing? In case you always just deactivate the voice, just did. There's probably nothing behind no of the time. Don't remember. This Houston and near home a good day. We got lots of meanings. Alright, this is the worst severe HGX signing out.